Hello and welcome to a special video on how to create your own signature online. As you can see, I'm on mylivesignature.com, a website that allows you to create your own signature. Now what I'm going to do is quickly create a signature and show you how to do that. But the first thing you need to do is click here to start. I'm just going to click here to start, and that should take you to a screen. Now you can either draw a signature straight to the screen, use a scanned image, or use the signature creator wizard. I personally would use the signature creator wizard. Once you've clicked on the wizard, enter your name. So I'm just going to enter enter my name. Click next step. And that should take you to step 2. What you need to do is you need to select your font, and for the purposes of this video I'm going to keep it pretty simple. So I'm just going to click let's see, font 5. Okay, click next. Okay, once you've clicked next, you should be taken to step 3, and this is where you can see a preview of your signature in different sizes. So I'm going to select size 7, click next again, okay, and then you're going to be taken to another screen where you simply select the color of your signature. I usually leave black, so I'm just going to select color 5. I'm just going to click next step again, and then I think you should be taken to the final step where you select the slope of the signature. I usually keep it simple, so I'm just going to go for slope 1, click next step, and finally the signature is ready, and you can simply save this. Right click and save, or you can view it first before saving. Either way, your signature is ready. Thank you for watching this video on how to create your signature online. Thank you very much.